If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making CHENA BARA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and blend to make powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then take half-inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. Then take about quarter cup of urad dal and soak it in some water for roughly about 3 to 4 hours. Then discard the water and blend. Quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing and half a teaspoon of salt. Then take 4 cups of milk in a pan and set the flame on high and bring that to boil first. Then after that, reduce the flame to medium and to the milk add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and wait for a couple of minutes. What that will do, it will make chena or cottage cheese. So in a couple of minutes, you will see something like this. So at this stage, switch off the flame and take a bowl along with a cotton cloth. Place it on top of the bowl and if possible tie it or make some knots. Then gently pour the cottage cheese or chena on top of it. So the cloth will collect it and the water will go down into the bowl, which we don't need. So once you get all the chena, slowly pour some water on top of it to get rid of the raw lemon flavor. Then take about half a cup of chena in a bowl and to that add the urad dal paste, powder, salt, hing and the ginger. Then combine these really well to make a thick batter. Now to fry these, take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on high. Then drop small portions of the batter into the hot oil. And we need to fry these until they are golden brown in color. And this should be done. And that's it. One of the Mahaprasad, CHENA BARA. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.